Deep in the Siberian wilderness, there lies a scar upon the land. A vast chasm, known as the Battaglia crater, rips through the landscape. This is no ordinary crater formed by meteorite or volcanic eruption. It is a wound inflicted by man, a testament to the power of our actions on the natural world. The crater is often called the doorway to the underworld, a nickname born from local legends and its unsettling appearance. The story of the Battaglia crater begins in the 1960s. During this time, the Soviet Union cleared vast swaths of Siberian forest. This deforestation had unintended consequences. The loss of tree cover exposed the ground to the sun's rays, leading to a rise in ground temperature. This seemingly small change had a profound impact on the delicate balance of the environment. The ground beneath the Siberian forests is permanently frozen, a state known as permafrost. This frozen ground contains vast amounts of organic matter, locked away for millennia. The rising temperatures, a result of the deforestation, began to thaw the permafrost. As the permafrost thawed, the ground began to collapse. This marked the birth of the Battaglia crater, a growing testament to the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. The crater's formation serves as a stark reminder. Even seemingly insignificant changes to the environment can have far-reaching and unpredictable consequences. The Battaglia crater stands as a silent sentinel, warning us of the potential for our actions to reshape the world around us. The Battaglia crater, located in northeast Siberia, is a site of unsettling beauty and scientific intrigue. It lies near the town of Battaglia, a remote outpost in the vast expanse of the Siberian taiga. The crater is a prominent feature in the landscape, visible from miles around. Its irregular shape, resembling a giant tadpole or stingray, stretches for over 2,700 meters in length. At its widest point, the crater spans 990 meters, a testament to the scale of the ongoing erosion. The crater's size is not static, it is a dynamic entity, constantly growing and evolving. Recent measurements taken between 2019 and 2023 show an alarming rate of expansion. On average, the crater's edge retreats by 12 meters each year. This expansion is a cause for concern for scientists and local communities alike. The crater's growth is a visible indicator of the permafrost thaw, a process with potentially global consequences. The thawing permafrost releases greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change, and threatens the stability of the ground, impacting infrastructure and traditional ways of life. The Battaglia crater, a scar on the face of the Siberian wilderness, serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of permafrost environments. Its relentless expansion highlights the urgency of addressing climate change and its impact on these vulnerable ecosystems. As the crater continues to grow, it offers a unique opportunity for scientists to study the past and predict the future of our planet. The Battaglia crater is not just a scar on the landscape, it is a window into the past. The crater's walls, carved into the earth by the relentless process of erosion, expose layers of permafrost dating back hundreds of thousands of years. These layers, like pages in a history book, offer a glimpse into the ancient climate and ecosystems of Siberia. Each layer of permafrost represents a distinct period in Earth's history. The oldest layers, found at the bottom of the crater, date back as far as 650,000 years. These layers contain clues to a time when Siberia was a very different place, perhaps covered in lush forests instead of the frozen tundra we see today. The permafrost layers are composed of a mixture of materials, each with its own story to tell. Ice, the most prominent component, acts as a preservative, trapping ancient air bubbles and organic matter. Sand and silt, carried by ancient rivers and winds, provide insights into past climates and geological processes. And then there is the organic matter, the remnants of ancient plants and animals, frozen in time. The study of these permafrost layers is crucial for understanding the history of our planet. By analyzing the trapped air bubbles, scientists can reconstruct past atmospheric conditions and track the concentration of greenhouse gases over time. This information is vital for understanding the natural fluctuations of Earth's climate and the potential impacts of human-induced climate change. The permafrost layers of the Battaglia crater are not just a record of past climates, they are also a treasure trove of ancient life. Frozen within the permafrost are the remains of plants and animals that once roamed the Siberian landscape, perfectly preserved by the icy grip of time. These frozen relics offer a unique glimpse into the biodiversity of the past. Among the most remarkable discoveries are the remains of megafauna, the giant creatures that once roamed the Pleistocene epoch. Woolly mammoths, iconic symbols of the Ice Age, have been unearthed from the permafrost, their tusks and bones still intact. These mammoths, adapted to the cold and harsh conditions of the Pleistocene, are a testament to the power of natural selection. Alongside the mammoths, scientists have discovered the remains of other extinct creatures: woolly rhinoceroses, adapted to grazing on the tundra, cave lions, apex predators of the Pleistocene, and steppe bison, massive herbivores that roamed the grasslands. These finds provide valuable insights into the ecology of these ancient ecosystems. The permafrost also preserves the remains of smaller creatures, birds, rodents, and even insects. The discovery of a 40,000-year-old foal, remarkably preserved with its skin and hair intact, captivated the world. These smaller creatures, often overlooked, are just as valuable to scientists, offering insights into the intricate web of life that existed in these ancient ecosystems. Section 5. The Permafrost Thaw. As the Battaglia crater continues to expand, it unveils more than just ancient history. It reveals a pressing environmental concern: the thawing of permafrost. Permafrost, the perennially frozen ground that underpins much of the Arctic, is not just soil and ice. It is a vast reservoir of organic carbon, accumulated over millennia from the decay of plants and animals. For centuries, this carbon has been locked away, trapped in the frozen embrace of the permafrost. However, as temperatures rise due to climate change, the permafrost is beginning to thaw. This thawing process has profound implications for our planet's climate system. When permafrost thaws, the organic carbon it contains becomes available to microbes, microscopic organisms that feed on organic matter. As these microbes break down the carbon, they release greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide and methane, into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, contributing to the warming of the planet. The amount of carbon stored in permafrost is staggering. Estimates suggest that permafrost contains twice as much carbon as the Earth's atmosphere. The thawing of permafrost is a ticking time bomb, a potentially massive source of greenhouse gas emissions that could accelerate climate change. Section 6. A cascade of consequences. The thawing permafrost has far-reaching consequences that extend beyond the release of greenhouse gases. As the permafrost thaws, the ground literally collapses, creating thermokarst lakes, altering drainage patterns, and causing widespread erosion. This has devastating impacts on infrastructure, ecosystems, and human communities. In regions where permafrost underlies buildings, roads, and pipelines, thawing ground can lead to structural damage, posing risks to human safety and economic stability. Roads buckle and crack, buildings tilt and subside, and pipelines risk rupture, leading to costly repairs and potential environmental disasters. The ecological impacts of permafrost thaw are equally profound. The formation of thermokarst lakes, while creating new habitats, can also release previously trapped methane, further contributing to climate change. The altered drainage patterns can lead to flooding and erosion, impacting plant and animal communities. For indigenous communities in the Arctic, who have relied on permafrost for centuries, the thawing ground threatens their traditional ways of life. Hunting grounds become inaccessible, traditional food sources decline, and cultural sites are lost to erosion, leading to social and cultural disruption. Section 7. Ancient life exposed. The thawing permafrost, while a cause for concern, also presents a unique opportunity for scientific discovery. As the frozen ground thaws, it reveals not just ancient bones but also well-preserved remains of ancient organisms, including bacteria and viruses. These ancient microbes offer a glimpse into the evolutionary history of life on Earth, and provide insights into the potential risks associated with thawing permafrost. Scientists are particularly interested in studying ancient viruses, some of which have been dormant for tens of thousands of years. While the risk of these viruses posing a threat to humans is currently considered low, the possibility cannot be entirely ruled out. Understanding the diversity and evolution of these ancient viruses is crucial for assessing potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate them. The study of ancient microbes also offers potential benefits for medicine and biotechnology. These microbes, adapted to survive in extreme environments, could hold the key to developing new antibiotics, enzymes, and other bio-based products with applications in various industries. The thawing permafrost, while a stark reminder of the challenges posed by climate change, also presents a unique opportunity to delve into the history of life on Earth and potentially unlock solutions for a sustainable future. Section 8. The future of the crater. The Battaglia crater, a gaping wound in the Siberian landscape, is a powerful symbol of the ongoing environmental changes sweeping the Arctic. As temperatures continue to rise, driven by climate change, the crater is projected to grow even larger in the coming decades. Its future trajectory serves as a stark reminder of the urgency of addressing climate change and its impact on permafrost environments. Scientists predict that the crater will continue to expand until it reaches a point where the permafrost is no longer stable. This could result in the merging of the crater with nearby thermokarst lakes and the formation of an even larger depression in the landscape. The exact rate of expansion is difficult to predict, as it depends on complex interactions between climate, vegetation, and permafrost dynamics. The future of the Battaglia crater is intertwined with the fate of the permafrost it exposes. As the permafrost thaws, it will continue to release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, further contributing to climate change. This feedback loop, where warming temperatures lead to more permafrost thaw and more greenhouse gas emissions, highlights the importance of taking swift action to reduce our impact on the climate. The Battaglia crater, a scar on the face of the Arctic, is a sobering reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. Its future trajectory serves as a call to action, urging us to address the root causes of climate change and protect the fragile ecosystems of our planet. Section 9. A warning from the past. The Battaglia crater, with its exposed layers of permafrost, its trove of ancient life and its unsettling beauty, serves as a poignant reminder of our planet's interconnectedness and the profound impact of human actions on the natural world. It is a warning from the past, a glimpse into a future where climate change reshapes our planet. The crater's growth, driven by the thawing permafrost, is a testament to the fragility of these frozen landscapes and the far-reaching consequences of rising temperatures. The release of greenhouse gases from thawing permafrost, the potential for ancient viruses to re-emerge, and the disruption of ecosystems and human communities are all stark reminders of the urgency of addressing climate change. Yet, amidst the stark reality of the Battaglia crater, there is also hope. The scientific research conducted at the crater is providing valuable insights into the history of our planet's climate, the evolution of life, and the potential risks and opportunities associated with thawing permafrost. This knowledge is crucial for informing policy decisions, developing mitigation strategies, and fostering a more sustainable future. The Battaglia crater, a scar on the face of the Earth, is a call to action. It is a reminder that we are all interconnected with the natural world, and that our actions have consequences. It is a call to protect our planet, to address climate change, and to create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive.